Scam School Remix. Guys, everything about the method on this one seems completely impossible, but once you pull it off, you're gonna feel like a wizard. Do me a favor, pick any 5 cards you want out of the entire deck. And you look over there. Just don't let Baka see. Baka, turn around. What are you doing? I said don't look. All right, now you pick the 5 cards. Yeah. I'm gonna pick what card he psychically has to send over to me. I'm gonna pick this card right here. And in fact, to mess him up, I'm gonna mix up all these other cards here. There we go. Baka.
Ace of hearts?
Is that your guess, the ace?
What?
I know you don't believe that he's got the gift, but watch this, he'll do it again. Here, you pick, pick some cards at random. So you don't know and I don't know. I will mix them up here. I'm gonna have this be the secret card. What is the secret card, my friend?
Jack of spades.
The Jack of Spades? Winner! All right, quick, one more time, super fast. There you go, that's 3. All right, we got 5. So you pick the cards. There we go. Baka, bestow upon us the knowledge.
7 of spades.
And how can this be? This was figured out by a brilliant mathematician. It's called the Fitch Cheney 5-card trick. And it turns out the first part is the most important. No matter what 5 cards you grab out of the deck, at least 2 of them will have the same suit. Second of all, because there are 13 cards in a suit, they're never gonna be more than 6 away from each other. Now, when I say that, people are like, what about 2 and queen? But if you make it a circle, for example, if you add 3 to queen, you would go queen to king, ace, 2. So everything is always less than 6 away from each other. So the first thing is identify 2 cards, and you take the bigger one to be the secret card. So that'll be the 10 of diamonds. And then the lower one, this will be our key card. So you now know that it's going to be a diamond. But I only have 3 cards to tell how many more the secret card is than the key card. And the way you do it is, of the 3 cards, and we're gonna always assume an ace is low. There's always a lowest card, a middle card, and a high card, right? So what we'll do is we'll set up a series of possibilities. It could be low, middle, high, which could be 1. It could be low, high, middle, which would be 2. It could be middle, low, high, which would be 3. It could be middle, high, low, and I know it sounds like a lot, right? For 4, or it could be high, low, middle, or high, middle, low. The first thing you notice is you got 3 distinct groups here. The lows are 1 and 2, the mids are 3 and 4, and the highs are 5 and 6. And so then, to tell whether it's 1 or 2, just look at the second one. For low, middle is 1, low, high would be 2. Same thing here, you got middle in the front, so now if it's low, which is the lower of the 2, is 3 and the higher is 4, and the same thing for the one up top. And there's one other thing that you may run into. Let's say we only had this jack and this 4 here. You'd have to remember that the jack plus 6 would equal 4. Because you would go jack, queen, king, ace, 2, 3, 4.
Why does the jack plus 4 equal?
Because it's in a circle. That's right. And then there's one other thing that you do have to be prepared for, and that is the possibility that you will get like 3 of the exact same number. And you have to have a way where you and your partner both know which is higher by suit, whether the ace of clubs is higher than the ace of diamonds. So what I say is you just do something really easy and do clubs, hearts, spades, and then diamonds. CHSD. Clubs, hearts, spades, diamonds. Or just remember the word chased. Chased. CHSD. Chased. So let's say I grab these random 5 cards right here. Now what I would do is I would do the 2 spades because they're only 1 apart from each other. And that'll be pretty easy to do. And so which one do you flip upside down?
So 4.
Right. So that's the secret number. So then what do we put as the next card over then?
The 3. Yeah.
The 3, yeah, the key card, right? The first thing I always do is put them immediately in low, middle, high order. And then once I've got that figured out, then I move them to be which of these. So now, which of those arrangements do we need to do for this? What we want to say is it's 1 more than this one. So on the cheat sheet, low, middle, high, we're going to say 1. All right, this is good. All right, now we're going to see if you guys can pull it off on us. So who's the psychic sender and the psychic receiver here?
So she's going to be sending brainwaves my way.
Okay, so I should probably like pick 5 cards at random from this deck of cards. All right, so now what? All right, yeah, look away. All right, she has sufficiently mixed the cards and has selected one to be the secret card, Jackie. What is it?
Oh. Queen of that thing.
A queen of that thing! It is a queen of that thing! Well done! Now, I know this trick sounds a little bit heady, but trust me, a little bit of practice, you're gonna have it down in no time. In fact, practice with a buddy and the two of you can attack the bar together. Not physically, don't attack anyone. Give them hugs. Attack them with love. Scam School Remix is the best of 10 years of holy hot hell, what just happened? We always do it on this, and now this site, you didn't even ask, just no rules, huh? Didn't even get to tell everyone 10 years of Scam School, 500 plus episodes. If I don't tell them to click the buttons, are they gonna know to click them? No, I guess it's just a free-for-all, just whatever. Just take off our shirts, run around shirtless. It's chaos, wreaking havoc on everything. Up is down, left is right, black is white. It's nonsense, just the kids today. You're probably not even listening to this wrap-up now. I don't understand, whatever happened to my YouTube? They turned off annotations, did you know that? They don't even have annotations anymore. You used to be able to point to the boxes and say, oh, like and subscribe. Nobody says that nowadays either, do they? That's the new goodbye. When you give someone a hug after dinner and you say, like and subscribe. No?